Since I have the Django installed in my virtual environment, I have a new command that I can now use called Django-admin. With a keyword for Django-admin called start project. We're going to call our project any name. In this case, I'm going to call it gallery. The project name will be gallery. I'll start the project. The project is started. There's a subdirectory now called gallery. Pip file and pip file lock were automatically created when we created the virtual environment and installed the Python modules with pipenv install. The gallery directory was automatically created when I ran Django-admin space start project gallery. The keywords are Django-admin. Gallery is a name that you define for the name of your project. I'm going to change directory into gallery. There's a script here, Python, manage.py, and this is what we're going to need to run in order to run Django. So at this stage we have Django installed. This is the files in the directory. We're going to start the server. Type Python manage.py. The command is run server. Python manage.py run server. Ignore the warnings. Set your web browser to this URL. You're going to see a website that's the default website for Django. We'll be changing this pretty shortly. This is the default page for Django. It's on your local computer. It's not on the internet. Localhost is the same thing as 127.0.0.1. The colon here signifies that the next number is a port on your computer. If you don't understand it, you can just type in it either localhost colon 8000 or the 127.0.0.1 colon 8000. We're going to now create an application. So the special command is start app, and you name the app. I'm going to call mine theta_image. You could call it a different name. I'm using a RICOH THETA camera, and I'm going to take the images from that camera. So for me, I'll just call my app theta_image. This will be the app that handles the main images of the gallery. You start the app. There will now be a new subdirectory called theta_image. Congratulations, you've come a long way. You've just created your first Django app. And right now it doesn't do that much, but in the next video we'll get this thing going so that it's putting out some custom content onto the page. The process was you first had to start a project with Django admin. After that, we can test the server. The Django server is running. Then you start an app with Python manage.py start app, and the name of the app, in this case we called the app theta_image. I know you're ready to go. You want to get some custom content onto that page. Let's do it right now.